Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 1st, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure to check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a very strong push up. I was actually expecting the pound to continue down, but obviously after seeing this push up, I mean, I guess I had to call this right here a trend. It is very, very overlapping, but it could be like a leading diagonal, which is supposed to only happen in a wave 1 or a wave A. This is very clearly now a correction, very, very overlapping. Turned it to 78% Fibonacci retracement of this trend right here. So at this point, we are either in a wave B or a wave 2. Now we really have to pay attention to these structures right here because if it rejects that structure, I would actually go short again. If it breaks above that structure and holds, then I would definitely turn into a buyer. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we're right at these important structure areas. We really need to watch and see how price reacts right here. If it actually rejects that structure and makes like a structure break to the downside, I would go short again. If it breaks and holds above this structure really nicely and then makes a pullback later on, then that's what's going to turn me into a buyer for the continuation of the uptrend. So definitely a critical point right now. We do have non-farm payroll coming out tomorrow, so it would be a good time for this to end in a ABC correction and potentially continue that wave 3 on like the daily time frame and up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.